6. Today I will teach you playing with numbers. Exercise 7A. So in this exercise, dear student, I will teach you about simplification and simplification on the basis of using brackets. Okay, using brackets and operation of. Now, see, first of all, we should know about bracket. So, dear students, you know very well and you used this. It is called small bracket. This is small bracket. Okay, you know very well. Or it is called round bracket. Second, this is called curly bracket. Okay, and this is big bracket or square bracket and this bar. Now first we will open this bracket, then we will open this bracket, then small bracket, then curly bracket we will open in simplification, then big bracket or square bracket we will open. First we will open in simplification type question this. First we'll open this, then we'll open this, then we'll open this, then we'll open this. Okay, dear students. Now, in this exercise, we'll know about the BODMAS rule. What is BODMAS rule? See, now I'll tell you about BODMAS rule. BODMAS. See, BODMAS. This bracket, in bracket, bar bracket may be there, small bracket may be there, curly bracket may be there, and this bracket. First we will open bracket and serial wise. First bar, small bracket or round bracket, curly bracket, then big bracket or this. Then off will solve. Off is multiplication, it will be there. Then division, then multiplication, then addition, and at last subtraction. Okay, dear students. Now, question number 1. 24 minus 3 into 15 is divided by 5. Okay. So, 24. See, first division here both. Division and multiplication both. So, first division then multiplication. Minus 3 into 15 upon 5. Okay. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay. 24 minus 3 3s are 9. It will be 15. 15 is the answer. Okay, dear students. Now question number 3. 40 divided by bracket 4 into 2 minus 2. 40, first we will solve the bracket. 4 2s are 8. Is divided by 8 minus 2. So division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. First we will see division. We can't do 8 minus 2 6. It will be totally wrong. We can't do like this. It will be wrong. Okay, dear students. So we have not to do like this. What we'll do? First division. Okay. And at last subtraction. 8 1s are 8 5s are 40. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5. 54 is divided by 14 minus 10 plus 2 into 3. This is bar bracket. Okay, 54 is divided by small bracket minus bar bracket 10 plus 2 into 3. So first we'll open this bar bracket, then small bracket. See, 54 is divided by 14, 10 plus 2 12 minus 12, okay, into 3. Then this bracket will solve. Okay, 14 minus 12 2 into 3. So odd mouse rule, first division then multiplication. 54 upon 2 into 3, then 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, then 27 into 3 is divided by 1, it will be same, then 27 3 ja 81. Okay dear students, this is the answer. Now question number 7, 15 minus square bracket, then curly bracket, then small bracket, 8 plus 4 small bracket close into 4 curly bracket is divided by 12 plus 7 okay, then square bracket. Okay dear students, now 15 minus, first we will solve this small bracket, means round bracket. 8 plus 4 12, then 12 into 4 curly bracket close is divided by 12 plus 7 square bracket, then 15 minus square bracket, then we will open this curly bracket. 12 4 is 48 is divided by 12 plus 7, then dear student, 48 upon 12 plus 7, 12 1 ja 12 4 ja, then 15 minus 4 plus 7, okay, 4 plus 7 square bracket, then we will solve this square bracket, then 15 minus 11, we will open this square bracket. 15 minus 11 equal to 4. Now this is the answer dear students.